South Jersey, and thanks for logging on to NBC40.net's Weather on the Web. Well, I'm sure that everybody across South Jersey noticed the drastic change in temperatures. Yesterday, we enjoyed temperatures 77 degrees was the high out in EHT. Today, well, we took a 20-degree plunge into the 50s. Well, it happens. And we can thank this culprit right here, a cold front that dipped down from the north, giving parts of even the south that saw record-setting temperatures yesterday cooler weather from the north. Darn you, Florida. Still warm and nice parts of the deep south, and I don't think any of that significant warmth is going to head over in our direction anytime soon. Today, 63 degrees. That was our high officially. But that's deceitful because guess what? It happened at 1:11 a.m. Temperatures were still into the 60s. After midnight, the low is 52. We should be at 53 over 33, and we were right around this number for the majority of the day. That was our average high temperature. Just last year, we were at 73 degrees, and our record low, 1967, was 7 degrees. While I do see cooler temperatures in the next 7 days, I don't foresee it getting actually that cool. So can you believe that we're actually in the middle of March, actually a little bit over the middle? So let's take a look back at temperatures over the past 18 days. We only had one day in the 30s, which was the 3rd of March, after some cool air came from the north. A high pressure set up to our north and brought down some really cold air for just one day. 4 days in the 40s. And 10 days in the 50s. We spent the majority of March in the 50s, which is where we should be. The average is 53 degrees. 2 days in the 60s, we saw some warmth. And then one day yesterday in the 70s, 77. The average high out of all this is 54.3, a departure of plus 2.3. So overall, March hasn't been a bad month so far. It came in like a lamb. Will it go out like a lion? We'll see that in a couple seconds. Calm and cool for this weekend. We're in the midst of that right now. Spring arrives on Sunday. Yes, spring arrives 7/21 tomorrow. So yes, this is the last day of winter. Light rain is possible for your Monday, and cold makes a comeback. We're talking about spring arriving tomorrow, but the cold will try to make a comeback for later in the week, and I'll get to that in just a couple seconds. So tonight, 29 to 32, a little bit warmer along the shore, crystal clear skies, perfect for viewing that full moon tonight. North wind at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. So tomorrow, high pressure sets up this dry dome, the last day of uninterrupted sunshine. 50 to 52, there's that high off of the coast, and then you'll notice some clouds out here. Why some clouds? Well, look at this. We have this next system. An approaching storm is looming out west. This isn't going to be a big deal. It's going to give us a couple showers for your Monday. Yes, some showers. So, whoa, production. Why are we out in space? This is weird. The vernal equinox happens tomorrow at 7:21 Eastern Daylight Time. That happens when the sun's most direct rays are at the equator. Whoa, I feel weird. I'm out in space. But yes, the vernal equinox happens tomorrow, and that will usher in the official beginning of spring. So Monday, as I was talking about, there's that low pressure system. Our next system going to be a little bit further west, northwest of here. Any heavy rain will be northwest of here with that low pressure center over the Great Lakes. For South Jersey, some periodic showers, light rain showers. Again, nothing heavy with this one. It's going to be a mostly cloudy kind of day. A little bit cooler along the shore, 50, 53 as you head inland. We'll have a southeast wind later in the day at about 10 miles an hour. So your South Jersey 7-day forecast actually looking pretty active. 55 for your Monday, maybe a shower, a thunderstorm rather, later in the day. Tuesday, some clouds in the morning. We'll break through with some sun, 53 degrees. Then later in the day, we'll bring in some more clouds. For Wednesday, this is our next weather maker, 42 degrees and some rain. What is that? I have to look really closely. Some snow? Really? There's snow in spring? 49 degrees, but look, a low temperature of 32. That's the freezing mark between Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, rather. So any precipitation that falls could fall in the form of some snow. Yes, we're not talking about a major snowstorm here, folks, but we could see some ice pellets and a couple flurries. So for Friday and Saturday, windy and cold, 46 degrees to 45 on your Saturday. 40s in spring. That's crazy. Thanks for logging on to NBC40.net's Weather on the Web. Have a great day, everyone. I'm forecaster Nick Pittman.